Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to create some artwork on a budget. I want to show you guys that you can create beautiful artwork for next to nothing. In this video, I did not spend anything on these items because I've already had them. So I want to show you how to create a beautiful, beautiful piece just using paint and peel and stick wallpaper. I hope that you guys find this video inspiring, and I hope that you too will get something from it to try to recreate something in your home on your own. So today I am participating in the Look for Less challenge, and it's where you create a high-end look for less. This Look for Less challenge is hosted by Yami from the Latina next door, my girl, my sister, and I love her so much. So this is one of the pieces that I am going to be creating, and it is so beautiful. I love the colors. Of course, I am going to make it my own, but this piece was $89.99 and it's actually on sale. The real price is, I believe, is $119. The second look is going to be another wall art, and that piece is $71. So definitely make sure you stay tuned, and definitely make sure you visit Yami's channel and visit the playlist. I will have both linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get inspired.
Let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We go bottoms up.
So if this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. And if you are coming over from Yami's channel or any of the other ladies' channels, I want to welcome you. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do lots of home decors, some DIYs here and there, lifestyle vlogs, and cleaning motivation videos. So if that's something that you are interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Also double tap that bell for new video notifications. I do upload weekly, and I do try to get at least 3 to 4 videos up per week to give you some decor on a budget type of inspiration and give you some tutorials teaching you how you can create home decor on a budget. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please go ahead, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you're going to try any of these DIYs, and also leave your name down in the comment section and where you are watching from. Thank you so much for your support, and I love ya.
Soul shaking through my car, left me in the cold, chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go, but I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water.
For those of you that might be wondering, is this girl in her pajamas? Yes, I am. I actually was getting ready to go to work this morning, and I just had my PJs on, and I had to get this project done, so I just did it in my PJs. Plus, I do like to craft in my PJs, and my robe is just more comfortable, and when I'm comfortable, my creativity flows better. So I do apologize for my parents, but not really.
Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the way.
So now this is the second project that I'm going to be creating, and I just love the look of it. I am going to be using this peel and stick wallpaper because I love the neutral tones that's in there. And if anyone has been watching my channel long enough, you know I am a neutral girl at heart. So I am going to go ahead and take apart this frame and use the peel and stick wallpaper to cover the inside of the frame. I got this frame at a thrift store for $7.99 2 years ago, and I didn't know what to do with it. I knew I wanted to do something simple and classy with it, but at the time I just didn't have the creative juices flowing as of yet. So when this challenge came up, I was just like, oh my gosh, I have the perfect project for this challenge. And I just love the way that it turned out. It looked absolutely beautiful, and it's something that is so simple, so cost effective. If I were to pay for any of these projects in a retail store, as you can see, the prices would be bananas. So there are ways that you can create home decor on a budget for your home. Go to thrift stores, shop your homes, look on Pinterest, get some inspiration. Yami's channel is a great channel to go to for inspiration because she does a lot of these high-end looks for less on her channel. So her channel is a great source of inspiration to go to as well. And I tend to use my girl as inspiration for home decor as well. So, always look outside the box and think about what you can create without spending an arm and a leg.
Bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face another day, we go bottoms up. Bottoms up.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste it.
Okay, so this is what my console table in my entryway is looking like. This is like the normal everyday look, well, for winter. And this is what it looks like now with the new decor pieces. I just love the subtle change. I love how simplistic and sleek it looks, but it still looks so high end and elegant. It's just so stunning and so special. I love it so much. So I am now going to show you guys the high end look and the price point, and then compare it side by side with my DIYs.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness.
So let me know, you guys, what do you think? Did you think that I nailed the Look for Less challenge, or maybe not? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It just was so much fun spending time with you guys today. And to all of my new followers, thank you guys so much for your love and support. All my oldies but goodie subscribers, y'all know, fams. You guys know how I feel about y'all. Y'all know I love y'all so much. Yami, thank you so much for allowing me to participate once more in this awesome challenge. You know I love it. Be sure to check out Yami's channel and the playlist down in the description box as well. And subscribe to her channel as well as the other ladies. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
All of your adventures. can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.